Hello, and welcome to Cooking with Todd. This is Todd. For today's video, I've decided to do a blackberry pie. For this recipe, you're going to need 20 to 24 ounces of blackberries. You're going to need 3/4 cups of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 5 tablespoons of cornstarch. You're also going to need 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. You're going to need 1 beaten egg. You're going to need 4 tablespoons of butter, cut up into cubes. And you're also going to need additional sugar to top. To start, you're going to want to go ahead and just rinse these. These have already been rinsed. And you're first going to want to mix this together till it's not lumpy anymore. Okay, just like that. Now you're going to want to go ahead and add it into your blackberries. And you're going to want to mix this. Okay, so like this would be fine. At this time you can go ahead and add in your lemon juice. Just keep mixing until the lumps are gone. Okay, so right here is about good. Now you're going to want to go ahead and have a pie dish already done up, and you're going to want to go ahead and transfer this over into your pie dish. Okay, and you're going to want to go ahead and smooth this out. Try and distribute the juices evenly. Okay, so like right about there. Now what you're going to want to go ahead and do is you're going to want to go ahead and take your small little cubes of butter and just, well, these were cut. It's a little warm in the kitchen, so they're kind of mending back together. But you're going to want to go ahead and just distribute this around. Okay, and now what you're going to want to do is I've decided to do a faux lattice today instead of a actual lattice, which all a faux lattice is pretty much you just go like this. And then you go ahead and go over like this. And then you, since I did not make this quite big enough, I'm just going to go ahead and place those onto the side like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and roll these edges up. And I'm going to go ahead and get my basting brush, and I am going to go ahead and baste the edges. Now, I probably should have done this beforehand, but I sometimes seem to forget that, so that's good enough right there. Now what you're going to want to go ahead and do, you're going to want to go ahead and just baste everything with beaten egg. Now every now and then I like to go ahead and just pick up one of these and kind of put a little under it to help them stick. Not that it really matters, but I like to do that. The only reason I'm doing a faux lattice for this video is because it is easier than doing a regular lattice, and I don't really feel like doing a regular lattice today, so and now what you're going to want to go ahead and do, you're going to want to go ahead and take your little bit of sugar, and you're just going to want to sprinkle it on top. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and crimp the edges. How you're going to do that is just go like this. All the way around. I'm actually going to go ahead and cut some of this excess off. Okay, now you can go ahead and just crimp this up, just like this. Normally I don't crimp my pies like this. I normally just press down and make a seal around the edges, but I decided to just do this today, just for the video. It don't really look the best because I normally don't crimp, so crimp like this. But hey, I don't really bake pies all that often either, so I actually just might leave this part of the video out. I do not know. Okay, so now that it's crimped kind of poorly, because I normally don't do it like this, You're going to want to go ahead and throw this in the oven, and you're going to want to bake this for about 45 minutes at 350 degrees. Now I have a pizza stone in the bottom of my oven to help disperse the heat a little better. You do not have to use one, but I find it makes for a better crust. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up. I hope you slap that like and subscribe button. Don't forget to click the bell to be notified when I upload another video, and I hope you leave a comment or two. As always, thanks for watching.